All right, first thing that I like to do is use some of the blue masking tape, and what I like doing is basically just, you know, kind of ripping a little piece. You can actually fold this piece in half. Doesn't have to be perfect or anything, right? Something kind of like this, and you can use your fingernail and get underneath of it. And you're gonna do that 4 times for 4 different places. You wanna grab both of the sides and then the top and the bottom that you will be using to pry the emblem out. All right. So I'll do that here as well in the bottom. I don't even know if I can get to the bottom yet, but let me try the top. Looks like the top is working a bit. All right. Now the tools that I use are basically computer repair tools, which these are made out of plastic, as you can hear. It works kind of as a pry bar, and usually I use these on motherboards whenever I'm disconnecting or repairing any kind of laptops, especially MacBooks. If I'm, you know, trying to repair the camera or anything like that, I use this type of tools. All right, so I'll get started. Let me start using this for the first side right here. The second side. And then you want to do the top. What I do. You guys see this? This is some dental floss, and this actually works really good. It just came to my, basically I remember how I used to take them off, and that's what I'm gonna be using today, because this just works great. So now that you have basically a spot that you already pried off, then you can use the dental floss. Let me see if it's to kind of get underneath. Right, just make sure there's no more glue. Right. Okay. And then that way you can just continue prying. See, now that I got this one in here, I can start pushing it down. Same thing with this one. Just kind of push it down to bring it out. And same thing for the bottom. So basically, this is what I do. And then now, I can see it already starting to come out. So that's already a good sign. All right, let me take this one out of here. Let me use some of the blue tape because I don't want to not have any tape underneath of it. There you go. This side already basically popped out. And there we go. Sorry for the noise, but as you can see, it came out pretty clean. All right, guys, so now that the old Honda emblem is out, basically you just want to grab a microfiber cloth and just kind of wipe it. As you can see, with the tools that I use and putting the tape, there's absolutely no scratches anywhere in here. You might still see a little bit of the Honda residue that was left from the original batch, but as you can see, there's absolutely no scratches on it. And that's exactly the way that you want to do this. You do not want to use screwdriver because the original emblems they're on there pretty good. One, you're gonna use this part number. Here's the emblem. It has basically an adhesive that you have to remove from the back. You just basically just pull the tab and put it on. There's really nothing to it. So I'm pulling the tab. Now let's see. And there you go. It looks awesome.
So that's how the back turned out. I'm gonna just put a little bit of pressure on it. Not much, just so it glues. After that, just give it a quick wipe and let it sit in there. Oh man, what a difference. And then now to the front one.
All right, guys, so now we're up. First I did the back, now we're gonna do the front. Actually, on this one, I'm gonna change the procedures a little bit. I'm gonna start first with a dental floss, just to kind of try to get in there and, let me see. This one seems like it's a bit, this one seems like to be a bit, maybe this one doesn't use glue like the other one did, because I can get under here a lot easier than I could on the other one. So let me see. Yeah. That's fine, that's just dental floss. I'm not hurting in any kind of way. All right. So now I'm gonna start using this plastic ones, because I think this one, let me see, I think this one is a lot easier than the back one. But just to be safe, I'm gonna still use some of the blue painter's tape.
Just try to get underneath. A little bit there. Under this. Perfect. Now I can use this tools again to work my way down. There you go. And then just kind of push it down. There you go. That's the first side. And then comes the second side. Alright, so now I got those two sides. And now it's time to do the bottom, which the bottom is the last part that's tight. So I'll get here on the, and as soon as I put this one, it should start coming out. Yep. See.
I can see one side already came out. There we go. And it's out. The emblem is out, as you guys can see. Everything good, there's nothing broken. All the holes are good. Now time to put the front one, which is, let me see, this part right here. And same thing as the other one, the back has an adhesive to it. You basically just want to peel it off, right? See where the holes line up and just push it in. And that's it, guys. That's pretty much the end of it. There's really nothing to it.